Hey, today it's about peppers, bees, tomatoes, and cutworms. Hey, welcome back to the farmstead. Today I'm going to talk about our peppers. They just come in and they're right here in this box. I haven't unboxed them yet, so we're going to unbox them and hope everything's all right. Caught a swarm of bees. I got a little snippet about that. And we've had a terrible problem this year with cutworms getting our tomatoes. So yesterday I went down, did some reading, and it said to lightly till the ground where you're at. So yesterday I got some video of that, me tilling, and we're going to go down there and see if it worked. But first, hit that subscribe button. You can follow us on our journey. You can help our channel grow. All you got to do is hit that button, and it'll help us tremendously grow our channel. So anyway, they just came in today, my peppers did, and I get them from Banner Greenhouse. And they come in this nice little box. And I've ordered from them several years, and last year I got peppers and tomatoes, and yeah, that's all I got last year. But I have got other stuff from them too, and the shipping's getting so high. I didn't get any tomatoes from them this year, so I kind of wish I did, because I'm kind of behind on that. But anyway, my peppers did so good from them last year. I ordered some more, and of course they called me about, and what makes me kind of nervous about this, they called me about 2 weeks ago, probably 2.5 weeks ago, and said I didn't have the seed that I wanted, and wanted to know if they could substitute. And I said, well, I guess I'll have to, or do without. So they substituted. I got, what I wanted was California Wonder. It's a green bell pepper, and they subbed it with a Gourmet F1, and I forgot what she said they was going to sub it with, and I didn't do any research on them. So hopefully, she said it'd be even better than the California Wonder, but you never know. So anyway, let's open this up, see what they look like. I guess if I was going to order a bunch of stuff, and I thought about that, ordering tomatoes and a lot of stuff, and just drive over there and get them. It's about a 4-hour one way, so it'd be an all day. It would have been an all day plus. So, well, they've had some rough treatment. I can see that right off the bat. Yeah, missed one. Here's one. Several of them slung out. Here's one that didn't come up. So you buy them by the, I bought 72, so I'm missing several. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm missing 7, so I do have some sun. I don't know. I don't know about the place anymore, so I mean, they look all right. They look like they got some sunburnt to them. Tells me they're not really all that old. So anyway, I'm gonna take them down and put them in the high tunnel. I'll plant them this weekend. Give them a good dose of water. And so let me get a close up here. I guess they look all right. Look kind of droopy. They look kind of droopy, but I don't know. Maybe they just need some sun and some water. So I'm gonna take them down there and put them in the high tunnel, and I'm gonna show you them bees in it right now. So we'll go down and show you those bees, and I'll meet y'all down at the high tunnel. Okay, so I'm out here where we got those bees, and you can see my hive right here, and they were on that right above there, it was on that limb, and it's a big old ball about like this. And I don't, I got a feeling that they're not none of my one hive is right over there. They might have split from that, but it was like 7:30 at night, and they were sitting there. So I think they flew in here from somewhere, and you know, they might have went. I had an empty box over there, and they might have went to it, but I didn't want to take the chance, so I went and got them in there, and they took. But they was right there in that little apple tree, and I shook them down in that box, and I don't know how many times I've done that. You know, I have kind of moderate success. I'm gonna kind of change my way I do it. So I did a little different this way. I took some sugar water and sprayed on them and sprayed in there, and it seemed to took a little better. But I've done it I don't know how many times, and I've never been stung. But these right here, they got mad. I bet you I got stung 4 or 5 times right there on my hand, and it swelled up. So I don't think they're my bees. They might be, but you know, there's no way for sure. Anyway, let me get a close up and I'll show you how good they're doing. And so it's really a blessing that we got those, because I lost one of my hives over the winter, and I took it apart and looked at them, and they looked like they froze to death. And I got one over there doing good, and I got that one down there doing good, but I know it swarmed once, so it took some of that stuff with it. So anyway, I'm real happy. The big thing now, I'm gonna have to pick that thing up with them bees and all that stuff, honey in there, and move them over there to my hive stand, and that's gonna be a fun job. I'll try to videotape it, but you know it's gonna be heavy as I'll get out. Anyway, I need to get over, and I need to probably put another box on it, and I need to check my other one, put another box on it, and that down there's got plenty of room. I don't know why it swarms. That down there likes to swarm like crazy. I don't know why. But anyway, I'm rambling about these bees. Hey, okay, we're down here in high tunnel number 2, where we're gonna put our tomatoes, and we already got some. Still got a cutworm problem. I lost one last night, and I lost another one the day before yesterday. You can see that one. So I've lost a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 of them to cutworms. So did a little research, and see if you till the ground up, it exposes them, and then they die during the day. So I'm gonna get my tiller and till this up, and it's getting a little dark now, and I'll show it tonight, but I'll show it tomorrow. So we'll get started, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I got most of it tilled up. I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna take my weed eater and do them first, so I'll get them tomorrow. And then I only went down about, you know, maybe 1.5 inches. So just a lightly till is what they said to do. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and hopefully it'll work. 2 of the ones they cut, this one's coming back. This one. So they cut it right there, but it had a leaf, so it'll grow. And this one over here will too. This one out here actually looks pretty good. That won't come back. They got it down there at the root. The other day when I dumped that dirt out, I had my beets in, and I had a comment from a viewer that said, yeah, now them beets will come up. Well, look, this is where I dumped this dirt. Right here's a beet coming up. Right here's one. So never fails, right? All right, we're gonna move on to something else. Looks like we also got rid of our ant problem. My wife bought something at Walmart for 12 bucks. It's stuff you sprinkle on top of them. It's probably some kind of poison, but we didn't have any choice. I mean, this place was eat up with them. And but it took care of them. So you know, we put it on there and sprayed a little water on it, followed the instructions, and it took them right out. I don't know how many. It's probably been what, a week? Yeah, it was last Saturday when we did it. No, it wasn't last Saturday. It's one day last week anyway. Anyway, they're gone. That's the main thing. Sometimes you got to do something. We don't really like to use chemicals, but we didn't really have a choice. So anyway, let's go. We'll go on to the next thing. Okay, so I'm down here, and it's the next day after the tilling, and I don't see any plants. Yeah, they're all looking good. So look at here. Look what I just seen. Got a little tomato there, so probably should have picked it off, but I'm gonna let her go. I'm gonna let her eat. That's a marglobe. So and the rest of them down there are mountain spring. I need to water these things. They look kind of dry. I watered them last night. So anyway, hopefully this did the job. And like I said, you can see I just tilled this up, and I mean, I just went about that deep because you got a setting on that tiller where you can see it. Didn't do the sides. I'm going to have to weed eat. I need to weed eat those first. And she's done a real good job killing these ants. My wife did. She got some stuff at Walmart that's really expensive, and it's like a granular stuff. She sprinkled on it and then watered them in. And I don't see any ants in here, so that's a blessing. So I was really concerned about the ants, and I'm really concerned about the cutworms because I got a bunch more tomatoes over here I need to get in the ground. I need to water those too while I'm over here. So yeah, I'll finish this row out, and I'll come back and add a couple here, and we'll start another row and show you how we do that. So I'm real happy, but I'm not going to declare victory yet. I need at least 2 or 3 more nights, and I'll keep you updated in the next video. If it works, so it'd be a good thing over the weekend. Alrighty, I gotta go make a cheesecake. It's my daughter's birthday tomorrow. She loves our cheesecakes that we make. Probably won't show you that, but they're really good, especially with our pasture-raised eggs. Everything's looking good. Got a bunch of peppers I gotta plant, and I'll talk about those. Gotta plant those peppers. So tomorrow I'll probably work on that high tunnel. That'll be Monday's video, hopefully, and we'll get those peppers in the ground. I got some more over here to do. Of course, I've throw some amendments down, and I'm gonna run over it with the tiller, and then we'll deep till it, and we'll put the fabric back. And that high tunnel's in pretty good shape, and I need to work on this. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I can work in here, and I need to work on these edges really bad because I don't want to get it to the end. I mean, right in the middle of the season like last year, and even the year before that, and all these weeds and stuff. I hope you liked the video. A little bit of hodgepodge stuff we've been doing this week. You know, the bees, the peppers, I was kind of worried about them. I think they're going to be all right. I guess tomorrow, hopefully they stand up and they look better. So I'm pretty excited about this. So hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button. Help us grow our channel just like we're growing these plants. Pretty excited. Got our first little tomato. I had to take a picture of that and put it on Facebook. Anyway, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. I answer all comments and emails personally. Support your local farmer, and I'll see you down here in the farm in the next video. Hello folks, welcome back to the farmstead. Today I'm going to talk about planting tomato. Back to the farmstead. Today I'm talking about planting tomato. Hello folks, welcome back to the farmstead. Today I'm going to talk about planting potatoes, and I'm going to show you how to prepare them and my philosophy on it, and I'm going to show you how to prepare the soil out there in our root garden and how we plant them and lay everything out. So come on, let's talk about planting tomatoes. Oh, shoot.